This is the life of Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo was born on July 6th, 1907 in Mexico City, Mexico. Her father was a German photographer, and her mother was a half American Indian and half Spanish. Kahlo grew up with 3 sisters, 2 of them older and 1 younger. Kahlo was often sick as a child, and at age 6, she contracted polio, and because of this, was bedridden for 9 months. After this, her right leg was much thinner and weaker than her left, causing her to limp and wear skirts for the rest of her life. In 1922, she attended National Preparatory School in Mexico City. She was one of only 35 female students enrolled at this school. This is where she met famous artist and future husband Diego Rivera. Shortly thereafter, Kahlo got into a very serious bus accident, and it left her in a full body cast for months. And this is after being in the hospital for weeks. But when she was in her bed, this is actually where she began to paint. Her parents bought her a special easel that she could access from her bed, and she started to paint mainly self-portraits, her reasoning being that she was often alone and herself was the person that she knew best. Frida married Diego Rivera in 1928. They had a strange marriage, as they were often apart, lived in different places, and Diego was known for having many affairs, even one with one of Frida's sisters. They would always separate and fight, but got back together. They divorced in 1939, and after this is when Frida painted one of, if not her most famous painting, The Two Fridas. Kahlo had often painted about her poor physical condition. This can be seen in The Broken Column or The Wounded Deer. And after more surgeries and issues, having to have part of her right leg amputated due to gangrene, Kahlo passed away at her house 1 week after her 47th birthday on July 13th, 1954.